Today I came to a peaceful Buddhist temple. This place feels very calm and quiet. First, this is the stupa. It is one of the most sacred places here. People come here with respect, worship, and peaceful mind. On the other side, there is a place to light oil lamps. Now, this is a Bodhi tree. It reminds us of the Buddha's enlightenment. Many people sit here, pray, and feel relaxed. You can see on this side, you can see the image of the Atavisi Buddha. They remind us of devotion and respect. Here you can see the bell. When it rings, it feels calm and spiritual. The sound brings peace to the mind. Thank you for watching. May you be happy and peaceful.